Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the frame so the net will be stable. First, measure and mark 6 m spacing for standard court width or your desired gap. Use poles 1, 5, 2 m tall. Once positioned, anchor each pole with rope or weights and check vertical alignment with a plumb or by eye. This prevents sag. While you set the frame, prepare the netting by trimming excess and reinforcing top edge with tape so it won't fray when tensioned. You now focus on securing the net to the frame so it plays like a real net. Thread a rope through the reinforced top hem, then loop it around each pole and tie a reliable knot. A bowline or double overhand works well. Once tied, tighten gradually from center to end so tension distributes evenly. If one side is tight and the other slack, the shuttle will behave unpredictably. Make small adjustments with zip ties and tensioners until the net sits taut. You finish by dialing in height and playability so the net performs consistently. Measure center and post heights, aim for 1, 55 m at center and around 1, 524 m at the posts for a familiar feel, and make final tension tweaks. Then hit a few shuttle shots, watching rebound and any sagging zones. If the net dips, add an extra tie or counterweight and retension the adjacent ropes. If not, slip. Replace with a more secure knot, or use a small...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.